Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
First of all, tell us about today's picnic event and says what you find to enjoy more and what you find to enjoy today's picnic event with students.
Actually, as a part of an IERC, I must say this educational tour come picnic should conduct every year, and I want more child should be participate in this picnic so that they should enjoy also and they should know the importance of this picnic also.
Yes, ma'am.
And as I observe from morning, whatever I see the students that were playing, enjoying a lot, that is very good.
Yes, ma'am. Did you also think that today's picnic was uh, an educational also for students that they know more about teachers, natures, and they fulfill their previous academic year that they studied in our school. They enjoyed today's picnic very well, and they know more about the teachers' nature and all these activities.
Definitely. Actually, in school, we are interacting only professional wise with all our teacher. They are not personally, very much personally, they do not interact with students. That is very common thing because if they will connect personally, then the relationship between students and there is an always a margin between student and teachers that should be maintained. But here the teachers they also shower a very nice and very calm behavior with the student. In
Yes,
case of if you see all students enjoy a lot, later parents will also see the videos, they also enjoy.
yes. Thank you so much, ma'am.
I
Thank you.
want parents that more students should contribute and more students should part this educational tour so that they also enjoy, they also see the nature, the beauty with students, with colleagues, not with only family.
Yes,
If they will come with family, every year I think every student come with family, but I want that parents should initiate this thing that if school is conducting any educational tour,
yes,
more and more and more
yes.
students should participate,
Okay.
students should involve
Yes,
themselves.
sir.
That's all.
Good morning. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir.
Uh, uh, Tell us about what you find to enjoy more today's picnic event and what students learn about today's picnic event and what you find that students have to learn that kinds of event.
Thank you, sir, for this opportunity and asking questions. And I want to say today's picnic is very nice, and we so much enjoying with our staff and so many students, and we all are enjoy here, and we play with equipment, and we eat very tasty food, and we also be very fun, and I think uh, just it is just our memories. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. This question for you. Tell us about today's picnic event, what you find to enjoy more, and tell us today's event that students should have to learn and they keep this moment as their memories for so long.
Yes, actually, this is my first picnic for in Chhattisgarh,
Yes,
and I am more happy for a student because we are have lots of game playing, and we have make the food for all teachers. And thank you for director sir, thank you for all teachers for giving for this time for me, and because I can't to explain for my happiness today. I actually today I'm more happy, and the student also have more happy. And I will request for all parents, please next year send for all student and participate for this picnic.
okay,
Thank you.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you to all the students, all the staffs, and all the parents who supports us to sell this event so that we can uh, today's day we can part with full of enjoyment and this is very important to every school and every student that in every year students have to go for a picnic trip or as that educational trip so they can grow up with the better memories with their schools.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
How was feeling for us today? First of all, thank you, director sir and all teachers for planning this trip, educational trip.
I am so enjoying this trip because of all teachers' jolly nature, and I I am feeling happy. That's it.
Okay, very good.
आप कितना एंजॉय किए, आप खाना खाए जो किए ना पिकनिक में। परिधि, आज पिकनिक में आपको कैसा लगा बेटा?
मैम बहुत अच्छा।
अच्छा, और क्या क्या किया आपने पिकनिक में?
मैम प्ले किए, बहुत खेले हम लोग।
अच्छा,
मैम और गेम भी आप खिलवाए थे हम लोग को।
Okay, very good.
Very good.